We're innovative and seek perfection. We never quit, as we always look ahead to the next advance. We use knowledge to counter chaos. We master every detail, and we pass this mastery on to you. Your choices improve as we learn more about your needs. Our creative thinking anticipates your every desire. We touch the heartbeat of each city. We believe what humans have made should make nature pure and bright. We have moved beyond simple cleaning, as labor is dignified by our approach. We exist to spread love and to create elegance and grace in all spaces. I hope you can feel the resonance of love with me. We journey across the sea of stars to discover the wonder of unknown places. 30 years of growth, of vital experience, of knowledge from the past. There is great love for the cleaning business and insistence on the progress of society. We believe more growth means greater responsibility and vision. We strive to achieve our goals. We move toward